The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greenup County until 5:30 p.m. At 5 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and middle-sized hail and very dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles west of Greenup County, moving east at 30 miles an hour. If you are near the path of this storm, seek shelter now. If you wait until you see or hear it coming, it may be too late to find shelter. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Monday evening for eastern Kentucky, and southern Ohio, and western Virginia, and western West Virginia.